Hello everyone, Charlie Couchain here to do another video. This video hopefully is a simple one where I'm going to try to take this Makita Mac 2400 air compressor, and as you can see it's a dual tank in the back, and it has a nice convenient carry handle here. And for 10-15 years I've had this. This handle was okay for me to move it around. However, I find as I get older I need wheels on this thing. And so I'm going to make a cart out of this two-wheel dolly I just picked up. And then in addition, I'm going to add this 30-foot hose reel on the front of this with a basket to hold parts, and it'll make it very convenient for me to wheel this compressor from here in my wood shop out into my RV garage where I need air, both places. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing we have to do obviously is attach this compressor to this cart. My plan is to just bump it up against there, get the feet centered. That looks good. And then I'm going to put a strap between this post here and this post here. So that's the next thing to do. I have a band clamp I'm going to put around this pipe and this pipe. There we go. Those two band clamps are tight. Sweet. Okay, as you can see, I added an additional strap from the handle here besides the bungee, those band clamps. I added this as well. So now it lifts and everything just beautiful. The next thing to do is I got to cut a piece of plywood that'll fit in here and go over to here, and this is where the hose reel will mount. Put the board in, goes behind these, in front of this. Get nice and centered. There we go. Perfect. All right, now these are I have some large head bolts that go on the back, go in from the back. Perfect. Okay, one of the next things I want to do is put a basket on the back here. But just a little sponge basket, stainless steel. I got to cut this off to get it to fit. Here we go. All right, now it's time to install the basket. I pre-drilled a couple holes. I put a couple hangers on the basket. Just line it up. Go. This basket. Okay, the last thing I'm going to do is I'm adding a water filter. I have a line coming off the hose reel to here, and I'm going to mount it right here. On the back where it's out of the way. It's a nice air filter to keep the water out. Right here. All set. Okay, now that we're all done, let's plug it in. Okay. I don't hear any leaks. There we go. It pulls good. Now I can use this anywhere. And easy to wind up. And then there's a locking pin. And here's a pressure gauge I'm going to put in here. Oil. Little. And valve stem remover and some caps. So that'll all stay in there. Perfect. Ready to use. Yay! Now I'm mobile. Sweet. It's very easy to move around. See ya.